Here is how you can download resource packs on Mojo Launcher Minecraft Java Edition. First, you need to know the version of your Minecraft. Open Mojo Launcher and you will find it written at the bottom. Mine is 1.2, 1.1. Now go to any web browser you have and search for resource packs for Minecraft and choose the first or the second website. Now download any resource pack you want, but you need to be careful of the version. Choose your Minecraft version and hit download. Now open Play Store and download Zarchiver. Go to Downloads to find the resource pack you just downloaded. Copy it and paste it in the Android Data Mojo Launcher Resource Pack folder. Now open Mojo Launcher and activate the resource pack. As you can see, it's now working. Don't forget to like and subscribe.